Hello and welcome my dear bachchus. Hope you all are fine. Take good care of yourself. Today we will start with cube and cube roots. Okay? Cube and cube roots. Before going to cube and cube roots, let us quickly revise square root. Okay? We had learnt square of number. For example, if you have 4, 4 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied 2 times, you got the answer as 16. How will you read this as? You will read this like this. 16 is the square of 4. How will you write it as? 4 square is equal to 16. How will you read it as? 16 is the square of 4. Now, if you want to find out square root, what was the sign that we used to put? We used to put square root for 16. Square root of 16 is equal to 4. That means reverse, no? Square of 4 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Similarly, when you see this number 4, 4 also can be written in the form of square root. Square root of 4 is 2. Okay? So all these things we have learnt it in the previous class. Now, there are certain important properties that you have to remember about square root of a number. And that is, every positive number has 2 square root. What is the meaning of that? Every positive number has 2 square root. Let me take a number 81. Every positive number, this is a positive number. This has 2 square root. So, the answer for 81, square root of 81 is 9. Okay, please check. Square root of 81 is 9. That means 9 square is 81, no? Okay. Similarly, I can also write square root of 81 as minus 9. Because minus 9, if you take the square, minus 9 can also be written as minus 9 into minus 9, which is 9 9s are 81 and minus will become plus. So, every positive number has 2 square root. One is a positive number, that is positive 9, and the other is negative 9. Similarly, square root of 4 can be plus 2 or minus 2. Because 2 square is also 4, minus 2 square is also 4. Understood? So keep in mind, every positive number has 2 square root. It can come as true or false or fill in the blanks. Okay? Then, square root of 0 will be 0. Okay? Another important property that you have to remember. Will you keep these things in your mind? Write it down in your book. Okay. Now, let us move on to cube and cube root. What is cube? Cube means any number multiplied thrice or 3 times. Any number when you multiply 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied 3 times. You get 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That is 2 cube is equal to 8. When you multiply a number 3 times, the product is called as cube. You have to write it. A number multiplied 3 times, the product obtained is called as cube of the number. Means 8 is called as cube of 2. 8 is called as cube of 2. When a number is multiplied thrice, then the product that you get, the product means the answer after multiplying. That number is called as cube of a number. So here 8 is cube of 2. Similarly, any number you multiply, suppose 2.1 cube means 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. We'll multiply it 3 times. Let us multiply 2.1 into 2.1. 21 into 21 will be 441. This you should know. Then where will you put the decimal point? Here after decimal point 1 digit. After decimal point 1 digit. 1 and 1 is 2 digits. So from the right, leave 1, 2 digits and put the decimal point. Again multiply by 2.1. 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4, 1 fours are 4, 0, 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, 1, 6, 12 carry 1, 9. Now here after decimal point 2 digits and here after decimal point 1 digit. 2 plus 1, 3. So from the right, 1, 2, 3. So what is the cube of 2.1? We got 9.261. Understood? Cube. Now the reverse. If you want to take the cube root of 9.261, how will you write? 9.261 cube root. If I put this is square root. So in the root you put 3. This is read as cube root. So simple. Huh? So cube root of 9.261 will be written as, you can write it as, again same cube roots and I am writing 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. If you multiply 2.1 3 times, you will get this answer. What will be cube root? So out of this 3 times 2.1, 1 2.1 will come out. So cube root of 9.261 is 2.1. Let me take an easy number. Cube root of 1000. Okay. This 1000 can be written as, cube root sign same I put. 1000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10. Correct? 10, 10, 10. Now out of this 3 10, 1 10 will come out. So how will you read this as? Cube root of 1000 is 10. Cube root of 1000 is 10. Suppose here you had a minus sign. Then you will put a minus sign here also, here also, here also. And one minus sign outside. The answer will also become negative. When you do square of negative number, minus and minus becomes plus. When you are taking cube root of a negative number, minus and minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So you will have to put a minus sign. If in the question you have minus, cube root will also be negative. Okay? Are you understanding? Is it easy? Cube and cube root. Let's start with practice set 3.3. The first question is find the cube root of the given numbers. So I have copied the question. Cube root sign. Cube root of 8000. We will do by factorization method. Okay, you know 2 stable, 3 stable, 5 stable, 7 stable, 9 stable. Till here at least you should know. Then you can easily go by factorization method. So draw the factorization table. 8000 we will write. Units place if you have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the number is divisible by 2. This all you know, no? So we will divide this by 2. 2 fours are 8 and 3 zeros. 2 twos are 4, 3 zeros. 2 ones are 3 zeros. Again 1000 is divisible by 2. So divide by 2. 2 fives are 10. Then 2 more zeros. 2 twos are 4. 1 remainder, 1 and 0, 10. 2 fives are 10 and 0. If you can't do mentally division, write 500 divide by 2 and see. 2 twos are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. This 0 down. 2 fives are 10. Okay. Then this 0 down and 0. So you got 250. Correct? Those who can do mentally, well and good. Now again, here you have units place 0. So this number will go in 2 stable. 2 stable. 2 ones are 2. Now 5. 2 twos are 4. So 1 remain. 1 and 0, 10. 2 fives are 10. Now this number will not go in 2 stable because you have 5 as the units place. Now let us check it in 3 stable. How will you check whether the number is going in 3 stable? You will add all the digits. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is going in 3 stable. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 8 is not going. So this number will also not go in 3 stable. After 3 you will jump to 5 stable. So 5 stable this will go no because in the units place you have 5. 5 stable divide and see. 5. 2s are 10. 2 remainder 5. 25. 5 5s are 25. Again divide by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Okay, so this way you did the factorization. Now cube root sign we will copy. Copy the cube root sign. Make it little long because so many digits we have to write. Write in good handwriting. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3 times 5. 5 into 5 into 5. Complete the root sign should touch till the last number. Now we will make, for cube root, you will make group of 3 numbers. That is 3 2's together, 3 2's together and 3 5's together. Out of 3 2's, 1 2 will come out. Into, out of here, 1 2 will come out. And out of here, 1 5 will come out. Because it is cube root. For square root, you make group of 2 2 numbers. Here you will make group of 3 3 numbers. Then from one group, 1 digit will come out. Now what are you getting the answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So we got answer cube root of 8000 is equal to 20. Highlight the answer. How will you read this as? Cube root of 8000 is 20. Now, those who are very good in maths, you can do this much more simpler way. That is, okay, another method I will show you. Not method. 8000 if you write, cube root of 8000. Now, you are very good in maths. You know that 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Correct? So, if I want, I can write 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. How many zeros are there here? 3 zeros. So each 2 will get 1 0. So this became 20, 20, 20. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 3 zeros. So out of 3 20s, 3 times 20 I put, 120 will come out. Is the answer same? This is factorization method and this is directly I know the table of 20, so I wrote it and got the answer. Okay. Now second and the third question I have written here. Let us factorize 729. 729. Units place you have 9. So this will not go in 2's table. Let us check for 3's table. Add the digits. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18. 18 is going in 3's table. 3 6 is 18. So this big number will also go in 3's table. Let us divide. If you don't know how to divide mentally, you write it in the working column and divide. 729 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 down. 12. 3 4s are 12. Now 9 down. 3 3s are 9. So what you got? 243 and this was divisible by 3. Now 8th standard students, you should be able to do it in your mind. Okay. Now this 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Again 9 is going in 3's table. So this will also go in 3's table. 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 81 is going in 3's table. Yes. 3 2s are 6. 8 1s are 21. Now again 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now similarly, you will copy all these digits in the root sign. Cube root of how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. I copied 3 6 times. Now out of here, make group of 3 3. 1 3 down. 1 3 down. 3 3s are 9. So what is the answer? Cube root of 729 is equal to 9. Highlight the answer. Be happy. Now we'll start with the next sum. 343. 343. Find out the factorization. Factors. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So this will not go in. 7 plus 3 is 10. So this will not go in 3's table. It will not go in 5's table also because you don't have 0 or 5. So now we will try for 7's table. In your mind you do the calculation. 7, 7, 6, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28. 34 minus 28 how much? 34 minus 28 you will get 6. No? Okay? And 3, 63. 63 is there in 7's table. 7 how much are? Yes. So we are getting 7 4s are 28 and 7 9s are 63. So we got 49. If you can't do in your mind, you divide and see. You'll get 49 as the quotient. Now 49 is going in 7's table. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. Easily you got. Copy the digits now. Put the cube root sign. 7 into 7 into 7. Out of 3 7, 1 7 will come out. Final answer. Cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Understood? Is it easy? Just the fifth sum. Cube root of minus 2744. Let us factorize. 2 1s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2's table. 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16 and 2 6s are 12. Pause. Don't copy like what I am doing. You do get it faster than me and then cross check. Okay? Done. Now 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are. This 343 we have seen before. That was our which sum? Yeah, that was our third sum. What was the answer? Answer for 343 was 777. So directly copy 7 4s are 28. Then we got 63. 7 9s are 63. Then 7 7 and 7 1. Okay? So let us copy the digits. Cube root of minus you can write outside the root. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Extend the root. So make group. Out of 3 2's, 1 2 will come out. After 3 7, 1 7 will come out. This minus sign is there outside. Remember. So put the minus sign. So you have 2 into 7. So 2 into 7 will be minus 14. Okay. So what is the answer? Cube root of minus 2744 is equal to minus 14. Remember, the root of cube root of negative number will be negative. Cube root of negative number will be negative. Sum number 4 you do on your own. Like we did sum number 5, negative number. No, put the negative sign outside and see what answer you will get. You will get easily. Now let us solve the last sum. Cube root of 32768. Factorize. This will go in 2's table. Slowly factorize and we will meet after we get the answer. Pause and you do the factorization. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are, 2 1s are, 2 9s are, 2 2s are. 2 4s are, then 0, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. 2 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Again 5 and 2, you already got the answer. 8 is the answer, no? So, but I will do it by continue with 2's table. If you want, you can directly put 8 and get the answer. But I will continue with 2. 2 2s are, 2s are, 2 5s are, 2 6s are. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are. 2 6s are, 2 4s are. 2 3s are, 2 2s are. 2 1s are, 2 6s are. 2 8s are, 2 4s are and 2 2s are. Okay. From here, if you want, you can directly write start with 8, 8, 8. That way also you can do 8, 8 fours are. Okay. Then no need to do so much. From here you can directly. Okay. So anyway you can do, because you remember that 512 cube root is 8. So this way also you can do. This way also you can do. Let me copy the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 twos are there. If you are stopping till here, you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 twos. And here if you are breaking, you will write 8 3 times. Okay. So let me write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Yes. And I'll write this 8 into 8 into 8. Then I need not write the remaining twos. No. So we'll make group. So 1, 2 down. From here 1, 2. And from here 1, 8. 2 twos are 4. 4 eights are 32. So what is the answer? Cube root of 3, 2, 7, 6, 8 is 32. Okay. So either you can do long process, or from 512, if you remember the answer, you can directly do this way. Is it fine? Understood, no? Now we have the next question. Simplify. Simplify. So cube root of 27 upon 125. Nothing to worry. Same way, but here only you have a rational number. Numerator, denominator form. Put the cube root sign. 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Now from this 1 3 will come out. From the denominator 1 5 will come out. So what is the answer? Answer: cube root of 27 upon 125 is equal to 3 upon 5. Highlight. Easy? Similarly, you solve this. Put the cube root sign. Putting cube root sign is very important. 16 can be written as, find the factors. 16 can be written as, if you want to factorize 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Okay? Upon 54 again, do it in your mind. 2 into, divide 54 by 2. You get, if you don't want to divide it mentally, you can write factorize. 2 2s are 2 7s are. Okay? Now this will go in 3's table. 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Copy. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay? Now 1 2 down, 1 2 up. Cancel. So now you have 3 2's and here you have 3 3's. So 1 number will be taken out. From numerator 1 2 up, from denominator 1 3 down. So what is the answer? Cube root of 16 upon 54 is equal to 2 upon 3. Here no negative sign. So tension free sums. Okay. Now let's start the last sum. This is the easiest sum. Answer is already given. Read. If cube root of 729 is 9, then what is the cube root of 0.000729? 729, 729. Only this is given in decimal form. Okay. So we know that cube root of 729 is 9. Cube root of 512 is 8. Now you should be thorough with these numbers. Okay. So cube root of 729 is 9. Now this number I will write it as, copy this number. Cube root of 0.000729 can be written as, put the cube root sign. What is the number? Without 0 now I will write. 729. 729 upon, okay, upon, after decimal point, how many digits are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. So I will write it as 1, and 6 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6. After 1, 6 zeros. What will you write? This number you will write without the zeros. That is 729. Upon, after decimal point, how many decimal digits are there? After decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That many zeros after 1. Now just tell me, cube root of 10 lakh, you can divide it into 2 zeros. Okay. So this is, what is cube root of 729? Cube root of 729 is 9. So I can write it as, cube root sign I put as it is. 729 can be written as 9 into 9 into 9 upon, this can be written as 100 into 100 into 100. Check, 6 zeros are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? So, from 3919 will come out. From 300s, 100 will come out. What is 9 upon 100? 9 upon 100 is 0.09. Now, 2 times. 1, 2. 0.09. 2 zeros means from the right you will put the decimal point. Okay? So, this will be 0.09. So, what is the answer? Answer, cube root of 0.000729 is equal to 0.09. Is it fine? So now I am giving you one sum as homework. So this sum, cube root of 343 is 7. Then find cube root of 0.000343. Okay, based on the previous sum, you will solve this as homework. So my dear students, we have completed the chapter. In the next class, we will start with the new chapter. Till then, bye.